Hi. One of the things that I've noticed this week, because I've been spending most of my time talking to our clients about the stimulus package, and there seems to be an awful lot of confusion out there as to what it means, how much money you're going to get. Some people think they're going to get 100,000, some people think they're going to get 50,000, some people think they're going to get 20,000, and a lot of people think it's all going to come into their bank account. Not quite correct. Some of it is and some of it isn't. So I thought I'll just clarify one part of that stimulus package, which relates to keeping your employees. So what the government have said is that they're not going to pay wages, but what they're going to do is pay the business the part that where you deduct an employee's tax, including your own tax if you're employed by your business. So let me give you an example. If you had, if from the 1st of January to 31st of March, if you had paid out, say, $50,000 in wages, and the tax amount comes to, for example, $8,000, they will give you a credit for the $8,000. The period runs from the 1st of January to the 30th of June. So it's for that 6-month period. So what they're basically saying is, we will look at what you have deducted as tax for that 6-month period, and then we'll work out the incentive for you. So the way it works is, if, for example, you had from the 1st of January to the 31st of March, you had, say, $8,000. And then from the period from 1st of April to 30th of June, you had the same amount of pay, and it was still an $8,000 tax that you have deducted. The government is going to say you have deducted $16,000 of tax. And what they'll say is, the minimum that they will pay you is $20,000. So although you've deducted 16, they will actually give you a credit against your BAS for 20, and that you can use against your other ATO taxes that are due, for example, GST. And if you don't have any, which some of my medical guys don't, because they provide tax GST free services, they will get that money back as a refund. Okay. Now, what if it's more than the 8,000 a quarter? So let's say, for example, the pay-as-you-go was 15,000 in the first 3 months and 15,000 in the second 3 months. So now you've got $30,000 worth of taxes that you have deducted. Well, what the ATO have said is the maximum stimulus that you can claim is up to 100,000. Okay, so if you have got 30, they will actually give you the incentive of 30,000 because the minimum is 20. Okay, so what they're saying is you can go up to a maximum where you've tax deducted up to $100,000, but that's the maximum. But it's always depending on what you've actually deducted. So minimum is 20, maximum is 100, and it goes against your BAS account. So if they will only give you a refund if you are in credit. If you're not in credit, you can use that amount against other taxes that you owe the tax office. I hope that's cleared that up. If you have any questions, please put them in the comment boxes below or get in touch with us, and I'll be happy to assist you on that. Thank you and have a great day. Bye.